Welcome to the new video of this series. Do you really want to settle your excess weight definitively? Then you are looking for a healthy lifestyle that makes it easy to stay on weight. A protein diet or a protein-rich diet is a great way to eat tasty and healthy. The big advantage of the protein diet is that you will not fall back on unhealthy food because you get enough food that prevents snacking. A protein-rich food is never boring. There are plenty of delicious recipes to put together. It is only necessary to eat in a different way. Once you have mastered this, it is very easy to keep it full. Protein-rich food ensures that your body is full and burns more calories so that you always keep on weight. Protein diet. How does it work? With a protein diet, you limit the number of carbohydrates that you get, which means that you absorb fewer sugars. By eating more proteins you need fewer carbohydrates, which prevents sugar spikes and unnecessary fat intake. Our body needs sufficient nutrients to function properly. The following 3 building materials are required to function properly. The fats. Everyone needs fats. This is a form of fuel. You need fats for building cells and absorbing vitamins. The fats are broken down into small particles. These are also called the fatty acids. The fatty acids release energy. This energy is needed for the development of your eyes, nervous system and brain. In addition, fatty acids are also important for your immune system. The proteins. Another fuel is the proteins. The proteins are needed for building and maintaining the muscles. Proteins are one of the 3 most important fuels that your body needs. Proteins are not absorbed quickly in the body because they consist of different amino acids. To process proteins, they must be digested in your stomach and intestines. After this digestion, loose amino acids remain, which your body can absorb. The protein-rich diet ensures that there are several eating moments during the day so that proteins are always digested. The carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are important to keep your body at the right temperature. You can find carbohydrates in various food sources such as potatoes, bread, fruit, vegetables, legumes, and sugar. If you eat a lot of carbohydrates, your body will get a lot of sugars. If a lot of sugars come in, they are converted to fat. These are your reserves and your body will then prepare itself for worse times. These fats are necessary, but if you develop too much of it, you are overweight. With an unhealthy lifestyle, there is no good balance between the various nutrients that your body needs. With an unhealthy lifestyle, you get a lot of carbohydrates and fats. These two are a bad combination that causes overweight. Through a protein diet, you discover how you can eat healthier by adding more proteins to your diet. By eating more protein you do not lose muscle mass but your muscles stay strong. It is easy to leave unhealthy snacks because with this lifestyle you no longer need unhealthy food. An effective diet. A protein-rich diet is a lifestyle that eliminates unhealthy eating. If you eat this way you will get more important proteins and less unnecessary carbohydrates. The proteins contribute to building and maintaining your muscles. Muscles use energy which helps you burn more fat. You may be surprised that there are fewer proteins in eggs than in other products such as fish, nuts, and meat. A protein-rich diet does not only consist of eating eggs but consists of a mix of fish, tuna, salmon, meat, steak, chicken, roast beef, and dairy. Cheese is a form of dairy that is high in protein but also high in fat. Healthier dairy varieties are low-fat cottage cheese, mozzarella, and goat cheese. For vegetarians, it is also possible to get enough protein. This can be done by replacing the meat and fish with seeds, nuts, beans, and meat substitutes. Different phases of the protein diet. The protein diet is not a temporary diet, it is a way of life. After you have applied this diet, it is intended that you continue this. The diet is therefore also divided into 4 phases. After the first startup phase, you will gradually add fats and carbohydrates to your diet. Ultimately, you return to a diet with a healthy balance between the various building materials. This makes it easy to turn this diet into a healthy lifestyle. The startup phase. In the first phase of this diet, you only eat protein-rich meals. You supplement these meals with vegetables such as endive and broccoli. Carbohydrates are not permitted in this first phase. In this first phase, it is very important to drink enough water. This is necessary to dispose of the waste. The startup phase lasts an average of 3 months, and in these months you take the first steps towards a healthy lifestyle. The combination phase. In the next phase, the protein-rich evening meals have been replaced by normal meals. These meals then consist of vegetables with fish or meat. The second phase of this diet lasts an average of 2 months. The transition phase. During this phase of the diet, you may gradually get carbohydrates and sugars again. It is then again possible to eat bread for breakfast, and you may gradually absorb some carbohydrates. The transition phase lasts a month and ensures that you develop a healthy lifestyle. After you have completed this phase, you know how many carbohydrates you can get without calculating. Healthy weight. The final phase is all about returning to normal food. Protein-rich snacks remain part of your daily diet. During the final phase of this diet, your body gets used to a normal diet again with a healthy balance between fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. By going through the phases of this diet, you know for sure that you will keep on weight and develop a healthy lifestyle. We are providing some product links in the description below suggested by experts. You can check out these products to achieve your fitness goals. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.